This is a prime hide. The color consistency is excellent.
Agreed. Very few defects on this one.
The tensile strength on this batch is exceptional.
The conditioning system is working perfectly. Check the tensile strength right here.
Scan reads consistent. Grain is flawless. It's a pass.
Automated polishing rollers enhance the natural finish of premium Jersey cow leather, producing a smooth, tournament-grade surface, while in this futuristic workflow, the leather panels are organized onto conveyor trays with pinpoint accuracy. AI-powered optical scanners meticulously inspect every millimeter of this premium cow leather for flawless craftsmanship before final forming. Robotic finishing stations apply an even protective coating to premium cow leather, producing a durable tournament-ready exterior while conveyor systems operate continuously. Look at these efficiency metrics. We're exceeding the target. The new sequence has minimized material waste significantly.